Now that you have your braced tabletop, we're going to take our hands and press against the front of your thigh. Our goal here is to avoid a back bend. I'm not necessarily trying to remove the curvature of my back. I'm just trying to reinforce it with my neutral, with maybe a little bit of a tuck if I need it. Now with this, I'm going to stay here and I'm going to take a smooth inhale through my nose. And as I exhale, firm and lightly press into my hand. Inhale, hold the shape, keep your abdominals firm, and as you exhale, apply a little more pressure with the knees into the hand and the hands pushing back into the knee. Inhale, and as you exhale, apply pressure, emptying out on a 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, fill up. Exhale. Inhale, hold the shape, keep your abdominals firm, and as you exhale, apply a little more pressure with the knees into the hand and the hands pushing back into the knee. Maintain that brace as you inhale. Apply pressure again as you exhale. And when ready, slowly come out of it.
This exercise is an excellent example of an isometric. Isometric means same length. It looks like nothing is changing because while the muscle contracts, it is not getting shortened or lengthened. So to do this correctly, we want to engage the abdominals without changing the shape of our neutral spine. A small distinction to make, I am not sucking my abs in, I'm firming them as if somebody could take a step onto my stomach.
Remember, our goal here is to avoid a back bend. If it starts to feel like the front of my hip is really taking over, I might have to ease back on how much I'm pushing with my hands. I may also have to pull those knees a little closer towards me or further away, or even further away from each other if that helps to take away any sort of cramping in the front of your hip.
Now that you know how to perform this isometric, go ahead and practice on your own. Your goal would be 3 to 5 breaths in a set and aim for 5 sets.